We are here, we are here, we are here on this amazing day. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis, and we are marking up EUR, JPY. We are on the monthly time frame. Price action, last candle to the right hand side is a bullish green doji that's coming from an area of resistance. So we do have price action overall, higher highs. Price action overall, lower lows. Midpoint. Also adding second level highs and adding third level highs. Third level lows and second level lows and third level lows. So let's walk over the price and see what's going on. Price action, price is currently at 136.990. So if price pushes up from that area, we're looking for price to head back up to previous areas of numbers of 142.075. And if, say, price drops down from the SR line is currently at, price can head to the levels numbers of 133.747. So as I said before, price action on the monthly time frame is a bullish green doji. Is coming from an area of resistance. So let's say if that market is going to work its way down further for that decline, it's multiple things that could be happening at that high. So coming up in green is that first leg, second leg, and price action could be the retest for the third leg. If we receive a bearish red candle to engulf the price action doji, price coming down from a double top. But if that area is respected, also coming from an overall area of multiple patterns that we see in the market of W's. So we have a W here, so we have multiple touches, so it's more like a triple bottom. So we have that first, second, third, fourth, retest, and market pushed up once. Retest, if it's respected from that triple bottom and retest, it'll push up from that triple bottom and retest. Okay, so it'll be first, second, third, fourth, retest one, and the market pushes out back to the previous areas. Or that market can consolidate within the yellow SR lines until we receive the full breakout to the top side or bottom side. Walking down the time frame of the weekly, price action on the weekly time frame is a bearish red doji, also supplied with multiple dojis to second, third, and fourth, the last candle in the market. So all that market is doing is consolidating sideways. Okay, so we're looking for that pattern to form in that area. So far within that area of support, I mean, it's also coming from that pattern at the top. So we can see that double top. So overall, first, second, there's multiple patterns inside patterns. Let's try to talk about it all. There's an overall pattern, there's a top pattern, and there's a pattern that can be happening near price. So let's go with the overall pattern first. Overall pattern, we do have that left shoulder. Okay, we do have that head. And if market pushes up for a little bit, we'll identify that right shoulder, and market's coming down from a head and shoulders pattern overall. Okay, also there's a pattern coming at that high, which will be identified as the first, second, third, fourth. So price is coming from that double top. We got a retest near the price action section here, and the market's coming down from a double top and retest. Okay, or market can push down further just from this area here. So with the third last candle, that's the push up. So that's going to be the first leg, second leg, third leg, and then if we receive another bearish green red candle, market's coming down from that double top in that area. Okay, if it's respected and that market comes up, it's following multiple structures of that pattern for that W. So we'll see that overall first leg, second leg, third leg, looking for a pattern to identify itself. And once the pattern identifies itself, it can push up for that W formation. Or that market can consolidate sideways until that market presses out to the top side or bottom side. Walking down to the daily time frame. Daily time frame price action is a bullish green candle with a long press up candle to the top. long wick press up to the top. So that market tagged that area for a retest once again. But we don't know if that market's going to push up. It is dominating a previous side, but you got to remember this is a long candle, so it may just be tagging. So let's say that market is just tagging the area of resistance. It's going to work its way down. It's be identified as a what? First, second, third, fourth retest. The market comes down if we receive a pattern in that area. So it'll identify as a triple top. If price work its way down to the next area, it can lead up to this area here, which would be 135.264. And if it does pushes up to the next level, it'll be identifying that little bit of an incline with the structure of the first, second, third, fourth retest, looking for a pattern to identify itself. We do have the engulfment for price action to the last, second, third, fourth last candles in the market. But we may want to see another second candle form to identify that market is going to push up for that full breakout to the previous area. Looking for the retest, the market will be coming from a triple bottom and a retest, and then levels will be, price will be headed up to the next level near 139.536. Or we can receive that consolidation, as we can see within that area near that red SR line, market bouncing up and down, trying to create that pattern for the full breakout. 4-hour time frame price action is a bearish red doji. Second last candle is a bearish red doji, but a long wick up to that top. So there's multiple things that can happen if this market is respected. We can see that overall first, second, third, fourth price action is a retest, looking for something to engulf that area to push that candle up, but may have to definitely engulf the second last candle to push that market up further, at least to that midpoint between the SR lines. If that market's working its way down, it's coming from multiple touches. So we have a break retest, retest 2, retest 3, and market comes down from overall 3, pushes to that top, which will be coming from a triple top. But we want to see a price action engulf the third to last candle, close out to push that market further down. But we do have something going on. Second last candle, long wicks up to the top. Price action also have long wicks to that bottom. So something's going on in that area until we see a pattern form itself. 3-hour time frame price action is a bullish green doji. So what happened is market broke, retest, and work its way sideways. 2-hour time frame, same as well. 1-hour time frame, starting to create a little bit of support in that area, but still looking for price action to engulf the second, third, to fourth to last candle in the market to push that market up further. Okay, then we'll be seeing that overall first, second, third, looking for the pattern to fully break out that area, retest, and work its way up to the next previous area of 137.579, unless that market drops down. We talked about that in the lower time frame. 45-minute, same as well. Market's consolidating the last previous candle, same as well in the 30-minute time frame. Starting to create a little bit of support, but not too sure what's going on. It's got to keep on walking down. Headed down to the 15-minute time frame. A market like is coming back for a retest. A lot of retests coming back with the price action and the fourth to last candle in the market. But we can clearly see that W first, second, third, fourth. And if market declines, it's coming from multiple touches. So we do have that break, that retest. So it's more like the first, second, third incline M is in there. So we're looking for that break and retest for that market to come down further. If so, price action can lead back down to the previous areas of 136.842. On the 5-minute time frame, we set area price action as a support. It may be respected if we see a pattern, so it will be identified first, second, overall. Let's do overall third, and the market pushes up. Unless we see if we receive a pattern in that area, looking for a double bottom, maybe a triple top, triple bottom as well. Depends if price drops up below this area here. 3-minute time frame, same as well. Still reading the same thing. It's looking kind of funny. We got long wicks down to that bottom here and here. We don't know if this area is going to be respected, like I said, for that overall pattern for that market to break out. If not, we'll see that M pattern market will come from. One-minute time frame, price action, bullish green candle. So whatever happens on this 1-minute time frame, you want to see price action engulf that second last candle area, those wicks. That second last candle and third last candles, these wicks for that market to break out, identify is going to be a clean push to those areas. Okay, guys, this is Cam Jones, FX, EUR, JPY.